In this video, we will show you the age of smart farming. Advanced agricultural machines are revolutionizing the way we grow crops and raise livestock. These high-tech machines combine precision, efficiency, and sustainability to help feed our growing population and support our planet's health. Agricultural machinery refers to equipment designed for use in farming or other agricultural operations, including tractors, harvesters, planters, and irrigation systems, among others. These machines help farmers increase productivity and efficiency. Modern machines can make our daily lives easier and more efficient by automating tedious or time-consuming tasks, such as cleaning, cooking, and transportation. They can also enhance our productivity and creativity by providing tools, which enable us to work and create more effectively. These modern cultivating machines are innovative farm equipment that utilize advanced technology to plow, till, and cultivate soil for planting crops. They can automate tasks, increase efficiency, and reduce labor requirements, helping farmers save time and increase yields. A tree tire is a specialized machine used in the forestry industry to bundle trees for transport. It wraps twine or netting around trees, creating a compact and secure load for easier handling and shipping. An automated fruit picker is a machine that uses advanced sensors and robotics to harvest fruits such as apples, oranges, and berries. It can increase efficiency, reduce labor costs, and minimize damage to fruits. A cow feeder machine is a device used in dairy farming that automates the process of feeding cows. It can distribute feed according to predetermined schedules, measure intake, and adjust rations to ensure optimal nutrition for each animal. A tree trimmer machine is a specialized piece of equipment used for pruning or trimming trees. It typically uses a telescopic arm or aerial platform to reach high branches, and may use various cutting tools such as chainsaws or pruning shears to remove branches safely and efficiently. A cotton harvester is a machine designed for the efficient and automated harvesting of cotton crops. It picks cotton bolls from the plants, removes the seeds, and stores the lint in a bin for further processing. Cotton harvesters can increase productivity and reduce labor costs for farmers. A feed pellet mill machine is a device used in the animal feed industry to convert raw materials such as grains, corn, and soybeans into compressed pellets that can be easily digested by livestock. It can improve feed efficiency, reduce waste, and provide better nutrition for animals. A fruit tree shaker is a machine used in the agricultural industry to harvest fruits such as apples, cherries, and peaches from trees. It uses a vibrating mechanism to shake the tree, causing the ripe fruit to fall onto a collection pad or conveyor for further processing. This technology can increase harvesting efficiency and reduce labor costs. A fruit tree power sprayer is a machine used in agriculture for spraying pesticides, herbicides, or fertilizers onto fruit trees. It uses a high-pressure pump and spray nozzles to distribute the chemicals evenly over the tree's leaves and branches, helping to protect them from pests and diseases and increase crop yields. An aquatic weed harvester is a specialized machine used to remove unwanted vegetation from lakes, rivers, and other bodies of water. It typically uses a cutting mechanism to collect and remove aquatic weeds, helping to improve water quality, prevent flooding, and maintain a healthy ecosystem. A mini corn harvester is a small, self-propelled machine designed for harvesting corn in small or medium-sized fields. It typically incorporates a header that cuts the corn stalks, removes the ears of corn, and separates them from the rest of the plant. Mini corn harvesters can improve productivity and reduce labor costs for farmers. In conclusion, agricultural machines have revolutionized the way farmers operate, making the process more efficient and productive. With their advanced technology, these machines have become an indispensable tool in modern farming, helping to feed the world's growing population and sustainably manage our natural resources. like and subscribe to our channel. And we will see you in the next video.